A crankshaft position sensor, or CKP sensor, monitors the rotational speed and position of the crankshaft in an engine. This data is critical for the engine control unit, or ECU, to synchronize ignition timing and fuel injection properly. Modern CKP sensors often use Hall effect or magnetoresistive technologies, which provide improved accuracy and durability compared to older designs. The sensor is essential for ignition timing, fuel injection, and overall engine management, ensuring smooth operation. Without accurate data from the CKP sensor, the system defaults to limp mode, leading to various performance issues. The first symptom of a bad crankshaft position sensor is difficulty starting the engine. The vehicle may crank normally but fail to start completely. This happens because the engine control unit, or ECU, cannot confirm the crankshaft's position. Without this information, it cannot initiate the combustion process properly. This symptom is often the first warning sign and becomes especially noticeable in cold weather conditions. The ECU relies on the signal from the crankshaft position sensor to know exactly when to fire the spark plugs and inject fuel into the cylinders. The engine might shut off unexpectedly while driving or idling. This happens due to a lost CKP signal, causing the ECU to cut fuel or ignition. Stalling can occur at any time, making it a dangerous symptom. This is one of the most reported issues. When a crankshaft position sensor fails, erratic readings disrupt the engine's timing, leading to uneven fuel delivery that causes rough or unstable idling with vibrations and potential stalling at stops. This happens because the sensor's role in the engine's feedback loop is compromised. Without accurate data, the system defaults to limp mode, prioritizing safety over performance and often resulting in starting issues or stalls. The result is reduced engine performance, as shown in these visual indicators of uneven combustion and dashboard warnings. Inaccurate readings from the crankshaft position sensor can affect engine timing, leading to power loss or hesitation during acceleration. The engine may feel sluggish or unresponsive. This symptom shows as reduced power, making the vehicle feel sluggish. Addressing it can save money later on. Symptom 6. No start condition. In severe cases, a completely failed CKP sensor will prevent the engine from turning over at all. This can mimic a dead battery, but is actually a sensor failure. Unlike difficulty starting, a no-start condition means the engine won't even attempt to turn over. A bad crankshaft position sensor disrupts the engine's ignition timing, causing incomplete combustion in the cylinders. This leads to engine misfires, where the fuel-air mixture doesn't ignite properly, or backfiring, where unburned fuel explodes in the exhaust system. These issues increase stalling risk and can damage engine components, like spark plugs and catalytic converters.